20th Century Fox Bloopers 94. Whoa, cut, the zero's too far. Why is it so fat? Because this is a missing logo. I don't care! The thing that needs to be missing is stupid things. I don't get it. Oh, you'll get it. You do get it. You want me to exercise like you don't listen? Okay, I'll exercise. Oh yeah, exercising is great. Exercising is great. Exercising is like some people who do it like idiots. 20th Century Fox logo is missing. A ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Look, you don't have to take 3 shots on this thing, okay? No! It is not supposed to be like that. It is supposed to be regular. And if you don't get it regular, I'm gonna turn you into a big fatty. Ew! I hate being fat. Well, in order to avoid it, you need to surprise me. Oh no, please. You're gonna love this one. Why did it have to deal with SpongeBob? Because 20th Century Fox should have been, SpongeBob should have been owned by 20th Century Fox. I know, but it's owned by Viacom. So it's too bad that they're not going to work at 20th Century Fox. Because it's 20th Century Studios now, and plus they will never work at 20th Century Fox Studios to make SpongeBob. They will work at Paramount. Please. Well, look, you can't just force it. It's not gonna do magic. What are you doing? I'm taking a picture of this. No taking pictures allowed in the studio. Oh, come on. I want to show it to everybody. What is that big thing behind the back? Why does it say 20th Century Fox Family Entertainment? Because it's so awesome and modern. Well, that's great. But you need to pick 20th Century Fox. Okay? Fine. So weird. Not fair. Oh, I'll tell you what's not fair! Doing this is not fair! I hate emojis. Not me, bro. Why did it say left at first and then become 20th Century Fox? Because it's the best. Oh yeah, it's the best. Quit saying it's the best. Oh yeah, it's the best. Oh yeah. It's not supposed to be like that. That is not the best. So freaking high! For the last time, I am not going to do this anymore. You are doing way too much. You're going to destroy everything. Well, I'd rather be out of here. Oh, no, you don't. You're not quitting. This is your last chance. Well, actually, let me smack you. No, please, no. Ow, 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 ow. Nope, I told you not to say ow. Please, not again. Okay, this is your last chance. Whatever. Oh, you say whatever one more time and I'm gonna smack you again. Thank you so much. Now please leave. Yes.